Welcome aboard, everyone. Pleasure to have you. My name again is Ryan, and once again we are playing Running Train. And I'm already gonna get into it. I still love this game. This game is definitely up there right now. Top 10, really good games, really well made. Between the graphics, the sounds, just the way everything looks, amazing. Do you ever remember playing those old Flash games back in the day? On your school computer or whatever you were doing? Because I did that all the time. I was able to find out which cheap Flash game was still A, running, and still B, not blocked by the school's firewall at any means. I also do even have JR Transit or JR Simulator, which I'm currently playing. I was playing on another computer before I got this new one. I was still able to do the same thing and run a Japanese train because, frankly, not a lot of simulators out there can allow you to run these unique, very different trains. It's not your standard American, German, or British train. Maybe the Aussies are in there, but other than that, you don't get an option. You just pick from the bucket. Not too often do we get to see a game that features Japanese railways, even like a bullet train, or even like this, which is just you have your electric EMUs that run just in the suburban side of Japan or anywhere else. You don't really see that. Also, one thing I did like about is that you can hear all the little clicky clacks when you change between the menu items, and it sounds like a reverser, or it sounds like almost a throttle, and you're going through all the little notches, the little brake notches. I love it. It's just so fun to listen to. Details, small details. So we did the TA line. We looked at that last time. Let's look at the HA line. I'm not gonna pronounce names. I'm bad at pronouncing names. We're just gonna live with it, okay? Cool. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. That's the express train. We'll do the express train another day. Let's go up at the 5:32 departure, 44-minute run. Oh, that's long. It's the long one. They're all long. Well, besides the express train one. Well, it only makes 5 stops versus the normal 15. That's fine. Let's start. What should our preset be? I love. Can I get a 4-car? I can. Okay. I was like, can I not get a 4-car? Do we want blue or Dr. Yellow? I do love a Dr. Yellow. We'll do a Dr. Yellow. And we're going to do it in the winter. Alright? And we're going to make it hard on ourselves. It's maybe not a blizzard. I'm surprised that the wet surface bonus, it doesn't get extra when there's a blizzard. If there's a blizzard, there should be another bonus here that says low visibility bonus. Just has poor visibility. You can't see as far down the track. Which is true when operating real trains. Should we do blizzard? I don't know if I want to do. You know what? Let's make it interesting. If everything goes wrong, it'll go wrong. Go! Continue. There we go. It's night. Oh, I didn't plan for this to be a night trip. Huh? Oh, well, let's get our... Oh, that's so... I'm so... That caught me off guard. When you turn on the lights, it reflects more of the snow. That's so cool. No. Okay, I'm sorry. Into the cab. Door's still open, right? Oh, yeah. We're still loading up. Oh, it's so pretty. So nice. Alright. Door's closing. I'm not even ready. Signal green. Release the brake. ATS warning. Give her power. Reverser key. I did that last time. Gotta remember to put my train in forwards. Alright. Look at the snow. Look at this dramatic scene. Oh, we're getting wheel slip. Oop, oop. Slower acceleration. Slower acceleration. We're good. Let's get out of here. Signal green to the right there. Speed limit jumping to a 40. Actually, it's going down. Oh, we're switching tracks here. I got it. Gotcha. 38, 39, right there. I can't see anything. Are wipers even gonna help? Or are they just another distraction? I don't think. Oop! That's terrifying! Oh, God! 100 in a little bit. Cool. Start giving her a little. No, sorry, we're already at 40. If I give her too much speed now, we'll overspeed. Just that alone. Oh, that's scary. I like how you can see all the lights around the city, though. Alright, let's speed her up now. We are off. I want to see the outside. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, you don't really get much of the snow effect from there. But here you do. Ah. I love the lights. I love the background lights. That is so cool. Okay. Still getting up to speed. Station. A lot of time to the station. 900 meters. Got plenty of time. New speed 85 kilometers, which we're already at. Ooh, give it a little break. There we go. Alright, remember with these trains, it's different. Oh, I guess the speed increase. Oh no, but we do have station. Okay, these trains are different in the form you have to build a brake pressure and then have it in lap. Lap holds the pressure, but it'll keep the braking the same rate as long as you have it at that one pressure. Actually, give a little more. Yeah, I know, I'm braking pretty heavily. But it's working. Maybe. Ooh, I hate stopping. It's terrifying. Okay. A little more. Ooh, I might overshoot. Overshot a little, but it was just enough to be adequate enough. Okay, conductor's closing the doors, pressure down, give her some juice. Hey, a 3-second time accuracy departure. Woo! Okay, I gave her like, I don't know what you call it, notches? 2 notches of the throttle and she's still slipping. So we'll just try 1 notch, and as we gain more speed, then we'll kick in the notches as we go. Hopefully our momentum will keep us going. Crossing. I don't think ever any other train in Japan honks at a crossing. Unless it's like an emergency, but my American brain says, you have horn, play with honky. Alright, this is amazing. Look at the snow. Did you notice when we went under the bridge, the snow stopped? Details. Oh, I love it. It's so cool. Terrifying, but cool. With all, oh, look, even the crossings lit up. That's nice. I can see the signals. Oh, yeah. Ooh, we got 65 coming up. All right. They're slowing her down. Station is in 700 meters. Ooh, I'm all 20 seconds early? What? 4-car sign. Ooh. That's not bad. Little heavy on the braking. Yep, there's the 4-car sign. I mean, that's right at my window. Oh wait, can I even see that from my window? Kind of. Oops, we're already going. Brakes off. Door is closed. Only 20 seconds accurate? Am I late? Oh, maybe I am really late. Oops. I haven't been checking my time. I've just been trying to operate in the snow, and I can't get traction. There's no sand on these units, which most EMU units don't have sand. They don't put down the sand like diesel or steam engines do, but some don't. So you just kind of have to deal with operating in slippery conditions, and sometimes it means slowing down or taking it easy when leaving a station, just a lot more sooner than what most operators can just put down sand and just go punch it. Can't do that here. But we can still have fun with the horn. One thing I do like with the horn, the little flappies open. Ah, so cute. On both sides as well. I love small details like that. Alright, come on. Push her, get her up to speed, can we? Alright, 700 meters. Gotta be there by already in 3 seconds. In the next 3 seconds, I should be at the station. I'm not gonna be there. Ooh, I'm coming in way too fast. Way too fast. Oh no. Oh no. We're gonna slide right past this platform, aren't we? Oh yes we are, baby. Oh lord. Everyone hang on. Oh, there goes the platform. There, yep. Bye. I've been full braking. Until the emergency kicks on. Yep. And all ABS or ATS is going off. I wish there was a head out the window button that I can just like sit here and be like, oh okay, I can look back. That'd be kind of cool. There we go. 10 meters. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Good enough. Alright, don't forget to put train back in the forward. Brake off. Give her power. You can hear the air compressor going off for the brakes. Oh god, we're so late. We should be at the next station by now. Oh, and I'm barely getting up to speed. Yeah, I knew this was gonna be a bad day. Kilovolts, voltage, I don't know. Power, looks like power to the motors. Definitely kilometers. Getting up to speed. Whoa, look at the lighting. Ooh, wait, ooh, look at that. The way the shadows come in and out of the cab. But should definitely be looking out, make sure there's no cars or people anywhere. What is that sound? What was that buzzing? Is it ATS? My ATS going off? I don't think so. Weird. This is hard to do, my friends. This is so hard to do. $88 seconds? 90 seconds? Oh god. Ooh, that was a hard stop. I'm sorry. Like, in Japan, I know you get bad snowstorms, but is it possible to really operate within a minute? Even if it's this bad in weather? I always wondered that. I'm sure they're trained to do so. Ooh, and we get an upgrade to 100. Watch our crossings, watch our signal. Nice, upgrade to 100. Let's go. We are flying. Oop, 85 coming up. As well as station. Actually, keep giving her a break because that station's coming up kind of quickly. That's not bad. A little fast. Sometimes letting the brake go just a little bit lets you slow down a little faster. Don't ask me how I know, but depends on certain conditions. Oh, I'm gonna overrun this. Again? Again? I knew it wasn't gonna let me get away with that one. Back her up, back her up. Again, I need a head-out window camera. Sometimes in slippery conditions, if you're trying to brake too hard, Kind of like in a car. Nope. Kind of like being in a car where you slam your brakes on the icy conditions. All you're gonna do is just spin yourself out. Sometimes in the trains it's like that. There we go. Get the doors open. Sometimes in the trains it can be like that too, where if you just immediately slam on the brakes coming into the station or trying to stop immediately, all you're gonna do is just end up getting momentum and sliding. You're just gonna end up sliding down the track, and no one's gonna help you. You can't stop no matter what you do. It's basically the equivalent of almost like hydroplaning, or you're hitting. I'm still in reverse. Stop. Forward. There we go. It's almost the equivalent of like hydroplaning when you're on the water and driving your car and you hit just a slick patch or even black ice and you just slide. No matter how hard you step on the brakes, sometimes there's just too much momentum, nothing can help you. In this case, same thing. We slam on the brakes, all we're gonna do is glide down the tracks, especially if it's downhill and we have enough momentum. Oh, we're slipping. I'm sorry, girl. She's hurting. Oh, don't worry. We only should have departed the other station by now. I can tell you now, we're not gonna make up time in this weather. It is not gonna be possible. We're just gonna enjoy being like 5 minutes late. How terrifying is this? Oh, absolutely still terrifying. Oh God, oh God, oh God, come on. Nope, I'm just bad at stopping. Goodbye, platform. It's just sliding right now. I can hear it, it's just sliding. There it goes. No. Oh, that's so pretty though. I don't care how mad you are at the schedule. It is a beautiful train, beautiful game. Oh, she's even sliding just doing this. We are so late. We should be arriving at the next second stop from now. Better operators who know their railway and know their train a lot better than me coming in first time not knowing how these machines operate. Will definitely know and understand how to take care and operate their trains in certain conditions. That's for sure. We got 2 kilometers to the next station? Oh, God. We're gonna be here a minute. But yes, normally, as a good engineer or train operator, you normally work the same track almost every day. You know it like the back of your hand. Doesn't matter how big, like, railroads here in America gets. You're gonna work one section and only know that section unless you transfer someone else. But then if you transfer somewhere else, you're gonna learn that section of track to the day you leave. Because they want you to be good at, you know, the one area you know well. That's the whole point. Yeah, doing the same track every day can get boring, but that's the thing, is that you know the track better than anyone. 94 kilometers an hour, very good. And the train, hello! Say the express train, hey, nice. The diesel multiple units. Oh, station. Oh, I wasn't looking. Oh. I said hi to another train. I'm so sorry, people. I'm in full braking, and we're doing 70 through the station right now. Goodbye! Glide past the crossing. Holy cow! Ooh my God! Oh God, yeah, with the whole train past the platform. Hey! Make sure she's in forward. Brakes are released. Doors are closed. And proceed. And we're off again. Again, should be at the second to next station. Arriving by now. Most railroads, you would still be in on-job training or in the classroom training by now. You wouldn't even touch a train. What is that? What is that buzzing sound? Hello? If I hit space, it goes away. Oh, EB. What does that mean? I don't know what EB is. Into the station. There we go. Still not perfect, but hey, I didn't overshoot this time. Come on, brakes release. Let's go. Oops, I put on brake. Don't need brake right now. Got a lot of time to the next station. Let's just try to keep her up to speed. Coming into this, we're still late. We should have been here a whole 2 minutes ago, roughly. Around 200 PSI is the sweet spot. Hey, hey! That's not bad! That's not bad! I'm still late! Hey, other train! Hey, buddy, how's it going? Awesome. Hey, in America, if it's this bad, and it's snowing, and it's just like tunneling down, and there's like 8 feet of snow on the ground, you are lucky a train shows up at all. Let alone late. Ooh, actually, we got this in the bag. I got some heavy brakes on right now. Ha ha ha! Very nice. Hit number 3, get the back view. Oops, with the staircase in the way. Oh, it's so pretty! I love it! Look at it! Time to go. Hold on. I'm not even looking down or the right direction. There we go. Time accuracy, yep. Like I said, out the window. Who cares? We're late. 30, maybe we hit 30, we can give it some more juice right around there. Ooh, she's cranky. But we're still gaining speed. Okay, that might have worked. Might have found a sweet spot during snow and ice as they hit it around 30 to 40 to push it. Oh, we got a hill of 4, of 6, 7% incline. Good, wow, that's steep. Ooh, we might be pushing this one a little bit. Ooh, might be pushing this one a little bit. I can stop at the 6-car sign. Yeah, too far. Okay. 4, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All good. What? What? Is this a thing? What is HP? HP reached 0? What? What? What does that mean? I've never had this error before. Hold on, what? Back to menu. Huh? It just kicked. It didn't even let me finish. It didn't give me a score. No. No. What does HP mean? Editor Ryan here. Turns out HP is your score that you should maintain a high standard of. If you don't maintain a high standard of the score, the game will automatically stop and throw you back into the main menus. In other words, I messed up so bad, the game kicked me out. Yeah. Sorry. I messed up. I'm gonna have to do some research as to what all of that was, because I don't know. I didn't know you can get kicked out by the game by not just doing any. I don't know. What? I'm lost for words. I don't even know what to say. Well, my name is Ryan. Ryan the Lion. Hopefully you enjoyed this. We're gonna look into this some more, but we'll be back again to conquer the trains. Thank you for watching.